I mean, the heat is getting hotter. I mean, we're definitely going to be looking at temperatures on the up and up in the coming days and even heading into next week. No relief in sight just yet as the high begins to flex and the heat wave continues. Now, the solace is at this time of day. When we have a wind like this, let's show you the hill and Old Glory moving in that southeast wind. You can also see the Texas state flag when it's left to right. That's a southeast Gulf fetch for sure. 88, so we just got out of the 90s this hour. 97, though, is what it feels like outside. Thank goodness for the southeast wind, about 20 to 21 miles per hour. This really is the nicest time of day for a nice walk outside, but that dew point is 74. That's why it still feels like it's almost 100 outside. That's what we hit today for the 15th time this summer, this year. You know, because we hit our first 100 back in May. It was not even summer yet. But keep in mind, we had 75 100-degree days and even more than 100 last year, so that's not too bad. Speaking of last year, the record 105 from 2023 on this day. So 5 away from that for San Antonio. New Braunfels hit 101. San Marcos hits 104 today, but they had a heat index this afternoon of 116 at one point. 116. It was incredible. 101 at Floresville, 103 at Pleasanton, only 98 at Seguin and Gonzales, but the feels like we're at 110 and 111 with the humidity this afternoon. 101 at Hondo and Uvalde, 105 out west in Del Rio. That southeast wind will continue to be breezy, but only in the evening and nighttime hours. And with it coming from the southeast, guess what happens to dew points? They're not going to budge. They go all the way through next week in the 70s with that tropical air in place. So it could touch off a couple of sea breeze showers, but nothing expected to move into the San Antonio area. Maybe a 10% chance tomorrow. I'm hopeful, but that's going to be a long shot, obviously. 90% chance it doesn't happen. 100% chance it's going to feel very hot tomorrow with the heat index 104 in the city, 105 New Braunfels, San Marcos again, and then even hotter on Wednesday, at least 107. So Wednesday we begin weather impact alert days that take us all the way through Saturday, 4 days in a row. We expect the heat index to climb upwards of 105 to 110 in San Antonio and the metro. Limit your time outdoors. Make sure you're well hydrated. It's a boy. Tropical storm Ernesto nearing the northeast Caribbean right now. Going to impact Puerto Rico and the Dominican, but after that, take a hard right turn. Barely a tropical storm at 40-mile-per-hour winds racing off to the west, 25 miles per hour. It's going to start slowing down once it encounters some of those islands, but watch this right turn. It's not going to impact Florida, the Keys, or the Atlantic states. We're expecting a Cat 2, though. It will impact Bermuda. It's going to be a big story for Bermuda come Friday night. All right, here's the 14-day forecast. We've got 4 days with weather impact alerts because of the heat. 10% chance of an isolated shower tomorrow, 99. Same on Wednesday, 101 to 102 to wrap up the week. Once we get to 102, looks like we stay there. Now, these days are hotter next week. And you might say, why aren't those weather impact alert days when the numbers are higher? Because the heat index should be a little bit lower. Another 10% chance of rain on Thursday. But I'll tell you, it is a hot, dry forecast.